In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on BCH future while talking about Bitcoin money cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Bitcoin money. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dig profound into the Bitcoin money value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that BCH is a wise venture or not. For what reason will BCH succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Bitcoin money value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. Bitcoin money introduction. In mid-2017, a gathering of engineers needing to expand Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on the 1st of August 2017. Accordingly, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the digital money split in two. Bitcoin money was made out of strain among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange expenses and progressively unique assessments on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin. Bitcoin money likewise focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshi's as vision for the first Bitcoin, seeing distributed exchanges as the guiding principle recommendation of the organization and the variable that ought to be upgraded versus other contending factors like security. It varies from different variants in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Its general objective is to build the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin money will actually want to rival the volume of exchanges that industry monsters like PayPal and Visa can right now process. Bitcoin money value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-04-20 plus 3.99% $138. 58202304 211.33% $131 49 202304 22 plus 0.78% $134 30 202304 23 plus 3.73% $138 23 202304 24 plus 2.52% $136 62 202304 25 plus 0.39% $133 78 202304 264.67% $127 04 202304 27 plus 1.40% $135 13 202304 286.30% $124 87 202304 294.41% $127 38 2023 04 305.52% $125.91 BCH value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees BCH coming to $255.87 in 2025. What will BCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of BCH in 5 years could lie around $254.46. Bitcoin money value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Bitcoin money will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Bitcoin money coming to $639.66 in 2030. What Bitcoin money will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Bitcoin money coming to $1,279.33 in 2040. Will Bitcoin money supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin money won't supplant or surpass BTC. Is Bitcoin money worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably hazardous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Bitcoin money merits purchasing. Is Bitcoin money a wise speculation? Bitcoin money is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Bitcoin money be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $78.36. In the long haul, it could leap to $639.66 or significantly higher. For what reason will Bitcoin money succeed and get more expensive? Bitcoin money has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Bitcoin money ascending to $639.66 in 2030. For what reason will Bitcoin money fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of very much planned showcasing procedure. Losing local area support. Expected weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Bitcoin money go? Our gauging model sees Bitcoin money value detonating and coming to $1,279.33 in a far-off future. Might Bitcoin money at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming that you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become a Bitcoin money tycoon. Yet, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10K interest in Bitcoin money could make you a tycoon. Could Bitcoin money at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Bitcoin money could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2024. Long-haul value expectation for BCH: most of activities will fall flat. A few new companies are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition, however most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet truly are futile for the digital currency market. Vitalik Buterin, fellow benefactor of Ethereum, said, "There are a few smart thoughts, there are a ton of exceptionally impractical notions, and there are a great deal of extremely ill-conceived notions. And many tricks too subsequently. More than 95% of digital currency ventures will fizzle and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of ventures will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will BCH be among those 5%? An assessment of the accessible 600-plus days' worth of information on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain shows that notwithstanding the enthusiastic contentions and enormous commitments made about its 8 megabytes block size, it has never verged on finishing up this limit. Bitcoin money actually stays a long ways behind Bitcoin in corresponding terms as well as in outright terms.